video, I'm going to show you how to cash out on Venmo. So Venmo is a finance app where you can do peer-to-peer payments and business transactions. So people may want to pay you here on Venmo. So you can receive money here, usually using the pay or request button down there at the bottom of the screen. If someone wants to pay you, you can just provide them your username in the top left. Then the money will come here into your Venmo balance. So once you have it in your balance, you can pay other Venmo users, or you can transfer this to your bank. So in this example, I want to show how to cash it out to your bank. So right next to the Venmo balance, $125, we're going to tap the big blue transfer button. This is going to give us a couple of options. We can choose the instant, and this is going to be a $2.18 fee. That kind of sucks, and we don't want to pay a fee. So I'm going to choose the 1 to 3 business days because I can afford to wait 1 day to get my money. And this is estimated to arrive before Monday, January 8th. And then I just need to tap transfer at the bottom of the screen. Transfer initiated, transfers are reviewed, and that money is on its way to my bank. You can see my Venmo balance is now 0. Because the money is moving over to my bank. So now I just need to wait a day or so and that money will show up in my bank and I'm good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.